Simple molecular structures. In this lesson, we will explore what are simple molecular structures. Remember that molecules contain fixed number of atoms joined together by covalent bonds. Covalent bonds are strong and they are the result of sharing of electrons between atoms. For example, this is a water molecule, H2O. The blue sphere is oxygen atom and the red ones are the two hydrogen atoms. The dashes between the atoms represent covalent bonds. The forces of attraction between one molecule and its neighbors, and we call them intermolecular forces, are much weaker than the covalent bonds. This means that there are forces that exist between the molecules. For example, those are intermolecular forces between water molecules, but the covalent bonds are between the atoms that make up water molecule. So the covalent bonds are between hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Intermolecular forces are not covalent bonds. Intermolecular forces are weaker than covalent bonds and they exist between the molecules. Simple molecular compounds tend to be gases, liquids, and solids with low melting point. So they need low temperature in order to melt.